Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Alcatel 3D 10 4G. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now you can choose whatever you wish to in this notifications pop-up on Samsung, and then select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow to use Send Anywhere app. In this window you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now do exactly the same on Alcatel. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick and then choose Receive at the bottom of it, over here. Then make sure that Send is set up on Samsung at the bottom left corner, and finally click on all of those dots from all of those categories. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Finally, we have two ways to connect. If you want to, you can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, then selecting Allow in the pop-up and pointing your Alcatel's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here and then tap on Receive button. Now after some time, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!